Hey guys, my name is Ozark, and I am doing contents and tips with regards to this game, Fate of War. So this is a video introduction, and I'll be needing your help and support, guys. In moving forward, you can definitely ask me any tips, or you want a walkthrough for a specific event or what to do in this game. I'll do my best to create a video about it. So um, in coming days, I'll be doing videos with a specific um, events or how to execute it, give you some tips and do's and don'ts, so you'll not get burnt out because you commit a mistake, or you can maximize your potential points and winning and receiving better rewards than the usual. So um playing in server 2 of Fate of War. I'm under the wings of the Order of the Kings, and so far, I'm just chilling. I'm just doing a strategy of long run gaming, which means I'm not really rushing anything. I'm just waiting for the right time where I will consume my resources for proper events, so I get the maximum points that I can get and receive better rewards. So I think that's it for now. And if you happen to see this video, please support me by following or subscribing to my channel. Also, um, be on comments. Ask me anything that you want to know about this game, and I'll do my best to answer it out and give you also a shout out. So please subscribe and then um, get that notification button so you will be alerted whenever I upload a new content. So thank you so much, guys. And this is my video introduction for now, and I'll be seeing you soon.